I'm going to give you a run through on these Wi-Fi PTZ cameras. They're an outdoor camera or indoor camera. This is the camera what you're looking at here now at the moment. It basically comes, this is your camera that you get in the kit, and then it comes with a 3-pin power supply, and you have a cable as well, and the cable is roughly about 2 meters in length. It's basically all you're doing is you're plugging from your socket point into this. If you found that your socket point was too far away, what you could do is just extend this cable, just cut it here and put a joint in between and extend the cable. It's all low voltage, so it's 5 volts DC. So basically the first thing you're doing when you get the camera, the first thing that you will do here is basically it's connected to your Wi-Fi in the house. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to power the camera up. When you power the camera up, I'll show you now, we're going to power this camera up. Takes a few seconds, so we're going to plug that into a power point, and we're just going to plug this now into here. So basically I plug this in, and after about probably 20 seconds what should happen is it should start spinning around and speaking to you. When it's doing that, what you could be doing there is you could be downloading the app. It's a free app on your phone, and all you do is download the app. The app is ICSee.
System starting up. Wait to be configured.
So this is the camera now. It's turning around, setting up into a setup mode. And what you're going to do now is, you'll hear it speaking again, you're going to go download the app. It's a free app, ICSee. When you download the app, it'll ask you to sign up. When you sign up, you need to put your email address in, and it will ask you for a password. You can put in whatever password you want to put in. We're basically waiting for this here to get ready to do the setup on it. So while we're waiting for that, is basically what you will be doing is when you download the app, you'll see a positive sign on your app, and you're going to press on the positive sign. When you press on the positive sign here, you'll see Wi-Fi camera. You're going to press on the Wi-Fi camera, and what you're going to do is you're going to press next, and then you're going to press next. And what this is asking on your phone is asking you for your Wi-Fi password. So you need to put in whatever Wi-Fi password is on the back of your modem. Normally what should have happened in here with this camera is, it's probably because I've used it a few times, you'll see underneath here there's a reset button. So if I'm going to press this reset button again just to see, and what you need to do is you need to hold the reset button. So you're going to hold it there for a few seconds, and you should hear it speaking.
Restore factory settings.
So that's restore the
Please
factory
don't
settings.
power off.
So it's basically reset. If you ever made a mistake or anything like that. So while we're doing that, we've put in the password. I'm going to just wait until this camera is set up fully. So when I put in my password, it's going to ask me to confirm. I'm going to press confirm. I've pressed confirm, and what's coming up on my phone now is a picture of a small camera.
System starting up. Wait to be configured.
And a little barcode is coming up on a phone. So what we're going to do here is, we're going to wait until this is ready to set up again. I'm just going to wait for a few seconds. So I have my phone ready, and basically what I'm going to do, when I hear this speaking, it will start speaking to me. And when I hear that speaking, I'm going to press next on this. When I press next on this,
Connecting. Please wait.
so it's saying connect and please wait. I have my barcode already on the phone here. I'm just going to wait until this is ready. And what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to get my phone, because I have the barcode there, I'm going to point the barcode at the camera, and after around 20 to 50, 60 seconds,
Connect to router successfully.
there you actually hear it saying it's actually connected. So it's basically connected there now, and when I look at my phone, there's a little ring going, a dial going around, and what will come up now is it'll ask me to put in a password, and all I'm going to do is put in the password. When I put in the password, it's going to press confirm, and then next, and that's us connected. You're basically connected to the system, so your camera is connected. What you can do as well, if you have a memory card, there's a facility here to put in a memory card as well. So basically what you're going to do is you are connected, so no matter where you are on your camera, you can see live pictures, and you can turn the camera left and right, up and down, But if you want to record, put in a memory card. Again, you buy them in any phone shop, put the memory card in, and what that will allow you to do is it will allow you to go back on your playback and check who's around your premises. Plus, if you wanted to, on this here, if you are doing that and you do put the memory card in after you power the system up, what I would do first is I would unplug it and then put your memory card in and then plug the power back on, and that will actually set up the memory card for you. So the next thing what you're going to do is you have your memory card in, you're going to put this up on the wall. As you see, it's just a little brackets there. You can put your screws on the wall. It's plugged in. As I said, you can extend this cable if it was too far. So this is outside the house, or it could be inside. But the main thing is, no matter where you are, you can actually turn this camera left and right and up and down. And there's two-way audio. So if there's somebody on the premises, you can see and speak to them and they can hear exactly what you're saying. The audio is very, very clear. Plus, it has infrared lights for nighttime, so it's going to give you a quality picture at nighttime. Plus it has 4 white LEDs that will give you color at nighttime as well, and the picture quality is excellent. They are a 4MP, so they're a high resolution camera. The picture quality is excellent, and the main thing with these is if you wanted to share the camera with other family members or anybody at all, you can go into your settings and there's a barcode when you go into the settings, and you can share that barcode with family members and they can have this on their phone as well. So the main thing, again, I keep saying with this camera is no matter where you are, anywhere in Ireland, anywhere in Europe, if you wanted to check who's around your house, you can actually go live anytime and you can actually turn that camera left and right. It's fully waterproof. We've tested the cameras over the last 10 to 12 months and they work perfect, and their quality, the picture is perfect, and they're simple to set up. It takes only 2 to 3 minutes to set up. Plus there is notification on the phone as well. If you wanted to put notification, it means if somebody came onto the premises, it will notify you straight away who's on your premises, and you can go on your phone, it'll give you a notification to your phone and you can press on the phone and you can see clearly who's there. Plus if you put the memory card in, you can go back on your playback and you can actually see what was going on as well. And there's two-way audio as well. You can hear everything that's going. We found these probably one of the best Wi-Fi cameras on the market, and they are a high resolution and they're a 4MP and they're very simple to connect. You can have as many of these cameras on your phone, so if you had 4 or 5 of them, you can have them on the front of the house and back of the house, and you can have those on your camera. You can have them marked as front of the house, back of the house, side of the house. The main thing you always need to make sure is when you're putting the cameras up that your Wi-Fi is good. So if you were ever checking, what I would normally do is I'd connect this camera to the Wi-Fi, I'd walk out the front and leave her on the ground before I start drilling, and just check on your phone that it's connected, so it's indicating that your Wi-Fi is good. On most of the domestic houses now, the Wi-Fi is very good and you'd have no problem put these on the front or the back. But always check. The further you go away from your Wi-Fi modem, the weaker the signal will get. But as I said, they're an excellent camera and you'll see straight away the quality is 100% as well. Thank you.